Tuck planche, scapular push-up assisted. If you're an adult gymnastic skill seeker who wants to improve your pushing strength for movements like push-ups and planche, you'll want to train scapular push-ups. This assisted tuck planche scapular push-up variation places more weight on the shoulders than the standard high plank scapular push-up. Here's how it works. You can perform this exercise with your hands on the floor or with P-bars. If you choose to use P-bars, you can also elevate the feet, which puts more weight on the shoulders. Start by kneeling on the floor, placing your hands a cubit distance apart. A cubit is the distance between the tip of your elbow and the tip of your middle finger. Twist your hands into the floor or into the P-bars towards your pinky fingers, and notice how the elbow pits rotate forward. This creates shoulder external rotation and helps to position the shoulders in a much stronger pushing position. It also helps to keep the elbows locked. From here, keep your toes on the floor as you lift your knees off the floor and lean your shoulders forward of your wrists. It's important to keep your shoulders depressed by pulling them down your back and away from your ears. At no point during the exercise should the shoulders shrug up towards your ears. Next, protract the shoulders by pushing down into the floor and spreading your shoulder blades across your back, allowing the upper back to round. From here, keep the elbows locked and the shoulders leaning forward as you retract the shoulder blades. Focus on pinching the shoulder blades together behind your back and sinking your chest towards the floor. Again, do not allow the shoulders to shrug up towards the ears. Finally, reverse the movement by protracting the shoulders and returning to the starting position. While performing scapular push-ups, keeping the elbows locked and leaning the shoulders forward is essential. Scapular push-ups can be performed for repetitions, isometric holds, or a combination of the two. Performing 10 to 12 reps with a 2 to 3 second hold at the top of each rep is a good starting place for most people. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.